Are we live? I think the live must be working now. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see now if these settings will work. I changed a couple of settings for stream. Hope this one will not end. But who knows? Technology is fun. You have to try and see what works and what doesn't. It's so simple. Yeah. We'll wait 5 minutes and see if it works or it doesn't. What was the record? I think it was 5 minutes. Was previous stream that was working fine. 8. Okay, 8 minutes. At least something better than nothing. Before I say anything, I would rather wait. Wait to see if the stream will end, then I will check the settings again, try something new, and then run again. This is the chief. It's looking great for now. I took this in the morning. Let's see. Who knows? But there's the light risk. I'm using very light risk on USD chief trade. Well. Seems it will work. Okay. This market is so slow today, I think because of the news. I think there are a lot of news today on the market. I think this is the problem over there. Oh gosh, we have a lot of news over there. Very much news. I recognize that market is not moving that fast when we have news in the upcoming hours. Even pre-NFPs today. Alright, we'll have a lot of noise in the New York session. 2:30 p.m. GDP. BOK is even there. Oh, CAD dollar news. Of course, the market is so slow and not moving so aggressive. CAD as well. Second time, 4:30 p.m. Oh, FOMC as well. FOMC. Fear of missing the chance. This is the reason, probably. This is the reason. Alright, we find who is the guilty for today's slow market. Let's see what the rest of the market. I think the gold will be nice. Nice trade to the downside. I'm still waiting for this confirmation. Still nothing, but setup is there. There's a huge potential, very nice potential that can happen quick. Almost 1 to 3 trade is there. That can happen. That is the reason why it's on my watch list. Yen pairs. I don't believe this is the total breakdown. Yen, it's heading to the upside since very long. All pairs are heading to the upside since very long, and I don't think this is the downside. Don't believe this is the downside. There will be still one more up. They're not showing a huge change in structure, because if I watch this last structure, that doesn't look like an impulsive for the downside. This is the impulsive for the downside. This is the strong movement. But what you're currently having, that's really not looking like we were going to downside. If we just copy the structure, this is the structure we are currently having. This versus that one, huge difference. That's the sell momentum, and this is not the sell momentum. If we compare these two, not even close. That's so tiny and small movement over there. Same there. They are pushing currently to the downside, but not far. I think it will change the direction very quickly. Maybe tomorrow, today during the night, or tomorrow, something will change over there. Because as they are going down, that I will not watch. Usually it's not on anymore on my watch list. I was watching it, decided to not watch it anymore. So I just kicked it out for now. Also chief, still nothing. I'm patiently waiting this one to go at the top of the structure. We will see how it reacts. For now, nothing still there. I think this is just the pullback of the noise we will have today. Silver is already building some momentum to the downside. That could be positive for our gold. positive scenario. I love to see when silver it's heading to the downside, and then a few hours after it, gold will start. That just build my confidence now. But nothing to rely on, that's just something that I watch for additional confirmation. Gosh, it's empty. I have to take it again. Yes, I think there will be a wider correction. Think like that. Very, very possible. Very possible. During the New York session, everything will go, I think, after the news, basically. Because news are really stopping the market. It doesn't move because of those news that are expected in a few hours. After the news, we will have the movement. USD CAD is already pushing higher, so that's good. We already have a break and push to the upside. USD Chief should follow. Should go to the upside as well. This is something I don't watch USD. I'm just scrolling now to the chart. Just seeing what other pairs are doing. I'm not watching the rest of them to trade, just casually scrolling through them. Pound Cat maybe will be interested for the next week, I think, or maybe Friday. Friday trade Pound Cat can build some pullback, and then we'll be trading to the upside. It is possible we'll have a trade there, but nothing for yet. Nothing for now. I have this news in chief before, early in the week on Monday. If anyone was there on the live streaming on Sunday when we have a breakdown, and my traders knows about this one. Okay, we took this buy over there. It didn't move anywhere, so we decided to close it. I don't love when chart is not moving and the momentum is dead. It's better for me that I exit and then I re-enter it later on. Especially when this long move appears or that long struggle appears over there. I don't love this. But now it's building something. There is the pullback for buy again. I would rather now pick another one. Don't want to trade on this one. This is what I can go lower. Leg lower, very possible. At least revisiting those lows over there. First target. I think Pound Yen and Chief Yen are the pairs that will start the move to the upside the first. Probably, as it looks like. We'll see there. Some pullbacks and then going up, but nothing for now, like I said. I ain't gonna chase them too early. Market is so slow and boring. Yeah. You were not. Just chilling. Nothing is happening. DXY will push to the upside. That's definitely looking great for now, especially in few minutes. If this candle closes that and then continues pushes, that would be perfect. My confluence additional is definitely USD CAD. It's showing me that they will follow the upside. AUSD definitely going lower. The rest will follow. New Zealand USD breaking lower. AUSD is breaking lower. Pound USD and USD, they are in a delay. They will go. This pound USD will go as well. There is a nice slight pullback. I like this pullback. So let's see the reasons why they won't follow. Simple. Just patient. All we need in trading is just the patient, nothing else. And the reasons why to stay in the trade is the most important. The most important thing. Find the reason to stay in the trade, not to get out. Fed unlikely to cut rate despite pressure. That's crazy. They are talking about rate cuts since last 5 years. I can't believe that. I can't believe it. The whole topic in government is just rate cut, rate cut, rate cut. I think that becomes viral word, rate cut. Will Fed cut the rates or not? Will they should they will, they're worried, they're concerned, la 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 la, and all that bullshit stuff that goes together. Crazy, crazy. Drama, drama, drama. They're just making drama that's worth a billions and billions. Is I usually never rely on those fundamentals. Fundamentals is something that I don't rely on. I don't like them. I even don't read them. I just read the titles and I just laugh at them because it's not relevant for my trading. It's a just saying. Boring bullshit stuff that government is putting out. Very well paid actors. They are very well paid actors, those drama guys. Sometimes I really worry how people are trading based on the news. You will be like one candle up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down. That's crazy. If you're trading based on it, you're just like a ball that's falling down randomly. You're buying and you're selling, you're buying. In 5 minutes you're buying, after 10 minutes you're selling, and then after 15 minutes you're selling again, after 20 minutes you're buying. Oh gosh. I couldn't trade like that. That's so stressful. I love swing trading, that's much more peaceful. Look, it's so beautiful. I have to be there spinning on my chair, watching movies, enjoying with my wife. And it's so much easier. My chair is so good. Oh, that spinning is so. Woohoo! Look, this USD chief has just freezed. Move! Move! I'll try to push the candle over there. Let's push it. Move up, buddy. Don't return. I'm forcing you to move high. Don't be boring. Do you like that finger?
I don't.
Why don't? Isn't it great? Woo! Woo! I'm tapping the candle.
I'm suspicious.
I'm bothering this candle to move higher.
I'm suspicious. I'm very suspicious. I'm not sure it needs to go up.
I don't care.
What would you do if it goes down?
Nothing.
Will you sell?
No. Never.
You won't sell
That's
this
not
buy.
that's not sell setup. This is not the sell setup. This will be the candle selling then. No candle selling strategies over there. Just swing structure trades.
If DXY breaks down,
No, it doesn't.
What if?
Skip. I just skip. That's not trade for me. I trade from special places. I trade there from sell, not from there. It's not the sell spot. Same as I did there. I sell from the top. I don't sell from the middle. I don't sell there. I sell from the top. So I'm very clear. If it drops without me, let it go. I will chase it on pullback. Simple. Simplicity is their key, and you have to be precise. Where do you want to sell and why you want to sell there?
Yeah, that's not so good impulse.
I sell there. If it comes there, if it doesn't, I don't care. I'm leaving it on the table. Without me. Yay, so strong. My decisions are strong enough.
It's been a while.
Hmm.
We didn't do streams.
Oh yeah, that's true. It's been a year or two, I think.
Was
I think it was 2 years. The last stream was there. Let me check that one. When did we do the last stream?
it doesn't matter.
It matters. It matters. The last stream that we did was
2 minutes ago.
yeah, those aren't the thing. And a week ago, yeah, that's true. 1 year ago, yeah. Oh. 1 year ago was the last stream. Crazy. Back.
Now somebody is putting the millions.
Yeah, they're loading their guns.
Pushing.
New York session will be much funnier than this one. It's so slow today in the London session.
You don't like London session so much.
London sessions are so boring. Less volatile than New York session. Do we have a... Why this is over there? Oh, no, it disappeared. Lol. It just freezes on the stream. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, my finger is working. Finger in the butthole of the candle. It's working. It's moving. Oh, we. Even gold is sleeping. Everything is just fucking sleeping. Bring me some Nutella. That's the reason why I'm having my trading station over there, because the kitchen is behind me. So every time when it's boring, I went to the kitchen and I can eat something. It's crazy. I have to eat something.
Nutella with the spoon. No waiting. No,
Sounds good. Empty. Bring me my Nutella back. Too much sugar, I think.
No. Do you love us already?
Huh?
Do you love us already?
You're supposed to. There's no any other decision. Yeah, no any other option. Let's say that.
You're talking rubbish.
Rubbish, 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 talking rubbish. How beautiful is this swing trading? You just wait there, sit there, you stand up, you go for a coffee, you don't need to be stressed. Watching charts all day, watching every candle, that could be so stressful. I do remember when I was watching charts on a very low time frame, like 1 minute, 5 seconds. That was so stressful. But instead of being in front of the computer for a couple of hours a day and then quit, because the main reason why I started with trading was I wanted freedom, but then I find myself that I was pushing on 1 minute. I was so stressed. There was so much emotional pressure on lower time frame, and I decided, oh gosh, this scalping and lower time frame trading, it's really not for me. So I switched back to swing trading. There's much more money, less stressful, and much easier for me with the flow. All I have to do is just watch there, sit, do something, bother my wife, walk
Yeah.
around, talk bullshit on streams.
Joke around.
Yeah. That's the whole purpose of trading. Please, brother, I don't want problems.
The same as this, but
Yeah.
peace, brother.
Please, brother, just go.
Go. Don't be us. How slow is this?
Like snail. I think the snail is even faster than this one.
So we can do this live streams more often,
I think so.
maybe. Maybe it will start to be more fun later on.
Of course, everything becomes funnier later then. earlier in the game. Trading is as well similar like that. It's funnier later, not at the beginning.
No.
Yes,
No.
yes.
It's
Oh,
funny.
it depends. Let's say.
It's much funnier when you gamble it.
Oh, but with gamble there's no money.
Admit, it's much funnier when you gamble it.
It is.
But
You mean
later
scalping?
It starts to be a little bit boring.
Yep. When
Because you don't have so
when
much-
trading is boring, you know you made it. You're successful already. That's the whole point. That's the indicator. When you are successful in trading, when it becomes boring. That means you already made it.
So what's the plan? What's the plan?
I don't know, we can go for lunch and then.
No. I know.
There's no plan. There's nothing. We just have to watch. That's it.
Man, for live streams.
I don't know. We'll
We
see.
can come back every day.
Yeah. I will maybe start a live streaming later on again. We could do this type of live streams every day, couple times per day, because I'm free. I have too much free time. So we can be there. We can talk a little bit. Let me know down in the comments if you guys will like to have these kind of streams every day or a couple times a day. Do you like it? You can even ask questions, of course. Feel free to ask. You can ask anything. We can discuss about trades, maybe investings or trades, whatever. It could be fun. I will end the webinar right here now because I will go eat something. During that time, I will just leave those trades on. We'll see how they will plays out. I will not do anything. Like I said, my NAS trade is on break even. We'll see if it spikes up, goes up. I will be out on break even. If USD Chief will go up, I will quickly take profit. I will not go for a long-term trade over there. This is not meant to be there for long term. All right, I am aiming it only 1-to-1. There's some more candles to the upside, and then I will take it off because I'm at the top of the structure, and I don't love to hold at the top of the structure. That makes no sense. So this will be the reason why I will cut it earlier and will not aim for any big profits or something else. Maybe even when it tags the top, I move it on break even, wait a couple of hours and then take profit, something like that. I will decide later once the price will reach the top, then we'll see what I will do with it. Alright, so see you later on the next stream. Maybe I will be back maybe in the New York session. We'll see how the day will go. Alright, so take care and see you a little bit later. Bye bye.
Bye.